In this demo, I'll show you how to insert a scanned PDF that contains handwritten notes and then search the handwriting inside Microsoft OneNote. Okay, let's walk through it step by step. So the first thing we're going to do is open Microsoft OneNote desktop, go to the notebook and page where you want to place the document. Now go to the top menu and click Insert Printout. And now you need to navigate on the system to find your PDF file to bring into Microsoft OneNote. One thing I need to let you know is it may take a couple of hours for your OCR to recognize the handwritten text. So give it some time to do this. Okay, so now I've got my document open and you can see my handwritten text. And I've got my notebook here in the system. And if I come over here, you got your search box at the top. So let me just look for one called skits. It's right on the first page here. I'm just going to type S-K-I-T, skit. Hit the enter key. And you'll notice how it jumps right here to the word skit after skits. And, so this is really a true searchable file now, which is really nice. Let's try to look for a word corporation. Press the enter key after I type that in. And notice how corporation shows up. You can see that right here on the screen. I think this is a really nice tool. And I've used this for different things, like even taking a picture with my iPhone of some handwritten notes that I had. And then I just uploaded it into Microsoft OneNote and was surprised that it would actually search for the handwritten notes in the notebook. Let me look for money, M-O-N-E-Y. There it goes, money, shows up there, okay? And then I can use these left and right arrows here at the top to go to the next instance. So there it is right there, money. All right, not bad. But I hope this information was very helpful for you, and I will see you in the next video. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for tuning in.